Alcatraz, the mystery of Alcatraz. It seems like the island is calling people to it. We have lots of visitors, more than 1.5 million visitors annually. One of the reasons Alcatraz Island was closed by the Bureau of Prisons was because of the deterioration of the infrastructure in the buildings here.
So we're replacing the old rail and the old post. So when we take off the plywood, all you'll see is the new railing and posts that we made.
What we do with the Concrete Preservation Institute through this partnership with the National Park Service and industry is train military veterans. We're also an active duty career skills program for the military, and then we also bring in college students. The park gets the project done, the military veterans are getting the training, and the industry is getting a highly trained workforce.
All right, so let's talk about who's doing what.
Every project here on the island is unique. There's not a textbook or a one method kind of way to address it. Watching them figure out what's the best path and then executing it has been a really cool part.
I guess that's my biggest takeaway from it, is that I appreciate the work that we've done and the networking that we've done here.
I think it's a great thing what they're doing out here to preserve these national parks. We're getting to learn this stuff in the process of restoring such a historic place.